Hi, I'm Donald with Steam Bright Supply, and today I'm going to talk about our Solo 456 HD pump-up sprayer. Now this is categorized as a 2-gallon pump-up sprayer. It's actually holds closer to 2.5 gallons, but when I use this, I don't fill it up past the 2 because I like the airspace left in it, because air is spongier and compresses better than liquid, and that gives you a better duration of length of time between pump-ups. Now when you first get this in the box, you're going to notice the lance and the gun are separate, and you'll see there's a little O-ring there. You want to make sure that you just push this together, and then this slides up here like this. Then you want to just tilt this where you feel comfortable with it. I like my trigger on the bottom so that when I lift up, I'm spraying down. It's got a built-in 45-degree angle on the unit. There's also a lock on the trigger here, so if you swing this over, it actually locks it in the on position. When you get the pump-up sprayer, the first thing you're probably going to end up doing is have to unscrew the lid, take it off, and you'll see there's an instruction manual inside the pump-up sprayer, an assortment of 3 extra jets. You get 4 jets total. There's one on the lance. Now this is an 8002, which means sprays at an 80-degree spray pattern. The 2 refers to the size of the orifice. They give you that's a brass, they give you a plastic jet, and then they give you a pencil point stream jet with also the optional swirl cone. You can use the swirl cone behind any of these, but typically it's used behind this one, I guess, to maybe unstream it so much. And then this one's a fully adjustable jet. Now when you look behind the cap, they include what's called the Dripless check valve strainer system. So if you were to actually look inside there, there's actually a ball bearing, and it requires a little bit of pressure to move the ball bearing out of the way to let the liquid flow. Now the advantage to that is that when you are letting go of the trigger, there's a certain amount of liquid that's left in the lance. When you let go of that trigger, it's not going to drip. It actually makes a positive turn off here at the tip.
For dye.
Yeah, a lot of times people will even use it for spot dyeing carpet, because you don't want to drip any dye on your carpet when you're using it. Now it also comes with a shoulder strap. It's kind of a keyring style mechanism. There's a hole here on the side of the pump-up sprayer, so you're just going to open that up and swirl that around to lock that on. This device, there's a hole here, and then on the other side of the sprayer there's another one over here. This sprayer also comes with a pressure relief valve. I checked with the factory. They said this is factory preset between 40 and 45 psi to prevent you from overpressurizing it. The other thing that makes this sprayer very nice is that the plunger assembly is a little bit longer and a little bit fatter than you'll see on a lot of pump-up sprayers. Now what that means is that you're going to get a lot faster pressurizing of your pump-up sprayer. Not so much time like pumping it up, but it's more of it's going to pressurize it real quick, makes it real nice. Now also on our website you'll see it's sold as a kit. We have 2 options that we like to sell with this unit. One is the Lithium Grease. We like this grease for this pump-up sprayer because it's designed for hot water applications, and it's also for water applications, so it's kind of nice. Now for the application of that, there comes a straw on that. You want to just give it one little quick spritz right there in the corner with this lifted up. That's to keep the O-ring. This is actually an O-ring assembly that's inside there to keep that lubricated, and it's just one quick 1-second spray. You know, once a week is plenty. As an option, we also like the 6506 T-Jet. This sprays at a 65-degree spray pattern, and you notice the hole is 3 times wider than the others, and the advantage of that is, like, if you're using it in a carpet cleaning application, you're putting down your pre-spray, you can pre-spray 3 times faster because you're putting down the liquid much quicker. You know, just another way to get through your job quicker.
Is this rebuildable?
Oh, it's completely rebuildable. There's an O-ring underneath the cap that comes in a rebuild kit. I guess I should have pulled one off the pegboard. It comes with other O-rings for inside of the pressure relief mechanism, and a rebuild kit for your valve system. So everything about it makes it completely rebuildable. I had spent 20 years on a service truck, and I used the same pump-up sprayer the entire time.